This video is all about how you can promote your lead magnet because you've put in the time and effort. You have devised something that has ultimate appeal to your ideal customers. So how do you get more of them to download it? In this video, I am going to share with you my 11-step accumulator process. Now, this is the exact process that I follow each time I launch a lead magnet. And if you hang around to the end, I've got a quick checklist for you to follow to make sure that you're not only getting downloads of your lead magnet, but that you're able to measure the results accurately. But first, if you would like a digital marketing lesson just like this one in under 10 minutes per week, subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click the bell, because when you click the bell, you'll get a notification each time I upload a new lesson. Step 1 of the accumulator process is to create a landing page. Now, this might be something you're giving away for free, but you should treat it like a product. After all, if the right people sign up to your email list as a result of your lead magnet, you are going to make sales. So you should treat it just like a product. This means you're going to need to create a good landing page that outlines the benefits of your lead magnet, what people are going to get when they download it, and encouraging people to sign up. And you could create this landing page just as a website page, or you could use a tool like Lead Pages, which is designed to create high converting landing pages. To attract the attention of your existing audience, you need to tell them something new is going on. And the easiest way to do this is to create a graphic in different sizes that you put across all your social media channels. You're going to need them in all sorts of different sizes. You're going to need a square one for Instagram. You're going to need a wide one for your Facebook cover photo. You're going to need an even wider one for your Twitter cover photo. You're going to need a horizontal one for sharing on Twitter and LinkedIn. You're going to need a portrait one if you're using Pinterest. And creating all those different graphics takes a lot of time and it's a lot of hassle. And that's where Canva comes in. Canva, in case you haven't heard of it, is a graphic design tool that is based on the web. So you just need to go into your Chrome browser, your Firefox browser, or your Safari browser, log into Canva, and you can create graphics. And if you sign up for Canva Pro, you can resize your graphics easily at the click of a button for all those different sizes. And then you just need to go into each one individually and move things around a little bit to make them work. And now that you've created all those images, you can go into Facebook and you can change your cover photo in Facebook. And then you can go over to Twitter and you can change your cover photo in Twitter. And you can do that for each of the social networks that has a cover or a header image. Step number 3 is to write some copy. This is the text that you share in the captions on social media when you're talking about your lead magnet. An image is great. It's going to capture the attention of your audience, but it's the copy, the text, that really sells it to people. So you want to keep this reasonably short. Write down the key benefits, the key things that your audience is going to get if they sign up to your lead magnet. What will it mean to them? How is it going to make them feel? What problem is it going to solve? And you can write 2 or 3 different versions of this. Save it to a notes application, whichever one you use, because you're going to use it later. Step number 4 is to change all your call to action buttons on social. People have seen your header photo. What do they need to do next? They need to click a link. Go over to Facebook, change your call to action button there. This is how. Go over to your LinkedIn company page because there's a call to action button there too. Here's how to change that. And on Twitter, just change the link in your bio. And the same goes for Instagram. One place you might not have thought of putting a link is in your header photo on Facebook. If you click on your header photo, there is an option to add a caption. So always click in here, add a bit of that text that you created earlier on and add the link so people know exactly what to do to get your lead magnet. Step number 5 is to pin posts. In case people miss your header photo, you can pin a post to the top of your feed on Facebook and on Twitter. This means that anyone who views your profile will see it straight in front of them. This is how you pin a post on Facebook. And here's how you pin a post on Twitter. And you can also do this on LinkedIn. It's called featured content. Here's how to add featured content to your profile. Step number 6 is to share links on Instagram. And here's a little secret. You don't actually need 10,000 followers on Instagram to share links with people who want them. You just need to get them to DM you, and when they DM you, you can reply with the link. How do you do this? You can share a story talking about your lead magnet and how it will be beneficial for people, and ask them to send you an emoji or a DM if they want it. You could add a poll or a slider poll or a question or a quiz prompting people to ask for your lead magnet and direct message them the link when they respond. You could even ask people in the feed to DM you if they want the link. Step number 7 is to add call to action buttons, graphics to your website. You can incorporate these into blog posts and place them maybe in the middle of your blog posts, a nice little graphic promoting your lead magnet at the bottom of blog posts, or you could put it on the homepage of your website, just like I have. Step number 8 is to create a video to promote your lead magnet. Talk about the problems that it's going to solve for your audience and the benefits if they download it. And you could create a longer version that you might share on YouTube and your landing page and Facebook, a shorter version for Instagram and Twitter, maybe an even shorter one that you could share on TikTok and Instagram Reels. Step number 9 is to create at least one live streaming video. Live stream videos, when they're well prepared, can be a great way to interact directly with your audience and build hype. Once again, think about the problem that your lead magnet solves and build your live stream content around that problem. And don't forget to share the link in the comments. Step number 10 is Facebook ads. And actually, this is my absolute favorite way to run Facebook ads, to get people onto my email list. And actually, it's a really good way to test if your lead magnet is a good idea. Because if you are running ads to exactly the right audience, exactly the sort of people that you want in your audience, and they're downloading your thing or they're availing of your lead magnet, you know you're hitting the right notes. And the final step in the accumulator method is to tell your email list. I know, they're already on your email list. Why are you telling them? Well, actually sending them something of value like this is a really good way to reignite and re-engage your email subscribers. Why is this called the accumulator method? Well, it's because you could do all these things one at a time, slowly over time, and you might get a slow dribble of emails coming into your list. But when you do all 11 at once, it's a massive splash of awareness that will attract more and more people all at once to talk about and share your lead magnet. Give it a go and let me know how you get on. And now it's time for your quick bonus. Yes, the checklist of things that will help you measure the success of your lead magnet. Number 1, you need a landing page or a sales page for your lead magnet. Number 2, you need a thank you page that you send people to once they've signed up. Number 3, you need to set up a Google Analytics goal so that you can see in Google Analytics when somebody has downloaded. Number 4, you need to set up UTM tracking for each place that you are sharing a link back to your lead magnet. What? If that all sounds a little bit confusing, don't worry. I am linking in the description to videos that I have created that will show you how to complete each part of that checklist.